Namaste. My name is Shruti and today we would be doing Mudra Yoga. Mudras are nothing but hand gestures. Very simple and effective. Can be done while you sit, stand, walk or sleep. These are very simple and basic mudras for common ailments and problems. People who are not probably able to do any other form of exercise or asanas can effectively hold these mudras with their fingertips. Showing a few, starting with Chin Mudra. So Chin Mudra, basically keeping your palms open, touching the tip of your index finger to the thumb finger and the other fingers are extended. You could keep it comfortably over your lap. Meditate, it's a beautiful meditating mudra, good for IQ, depression, anxiety, restlessness, headaches, migraine, mood swings, balancing your emotions. So a very effective mudra can be practiced daily. See to it that every mudra you hold at least for 12 to 15 minutes to reap the benefits of these mudras. So close your eyes, hold the mudra touching the tip of the index finger to the thumb finger and keep your concentration on your breathing pattern, taking deep breaths in and out. You could even chant any mantra as you wish while you hold the mudra. Chin Mudra. Okay, we now move on to the second mudra, that is the Akasha Mudra. So Akasha Mudra is nothing but holding the tip of your middle finger to the tip of the thumb finger. The other fingers are extended out. Keep your palms open and you could meditate. Close your eyes. These are very good for your heart muscles, your ears, your throat, the bones. A very good mudra for this. Tip of the middle finger to the tip of your thumb finger. Hold it for 12 to 15 minutes and slowly you can release it. Going on to the third mudra. The third mudra is the Prithvi Mudra. So here you hold the tip of your thumb to the ring finger. That is your Prithvi Mudra. It is the earth element. So here this is very good for maintaining the vitality. It's a relaxation mudra. It's good for your metabolism and very good for you to be agile, feeling fresh. So in case you're tired and really had a hard day, you could try and sit with this mudra called as the Prithvi Mudra, touching the tip of your ring finger to the tip of the thumb. Slowly we release this, holding this mudra for 12 to 15 minutes again. Going to the next one, that is the Varuna Mudra. Varuna Mudra is a water element. So you hold the tip of the little finger to the tip of the thumb. Other fingers are extended and stay there. Water element, very good for your skin, your hair, the dry cough, people having problems with dry cough. It prevents dehydration, any itching issues that you have. So a very good mudra for all of these issues, touching the tip of your little finger to the tip of the thumb. We now go on to the next mudra. It is the Vayu Mudra. Here, Vayu Mudra, you're bending your index finger and touching it to the tip, the base of the thumb, and the thumb is over the index finger. The other fingers are extended out. So this is bending the index finger, touching it to the base of the thumb, and the thumb is over your index finger. This is a very good mudra wherein it manages and reduces arthritis issues. It's good for your gastro problems because it reduces the air element in the body. So any gastric issues, good for arthritis. Hold this mudra. You could meditate over it, closing your eyes, holding it for minimum 12 to 15 minutes per day. Yes? Slowly releasing this, we go on to a very, very important mudra now. A mudra that people look out for is weight reduction mudra. So here there are two different, it's effective when you do two different mudras together. It's a combination of two different mudras. One is the Surya Mudra. So Surya Mudra, the ring finger, you bend it over down and place the thumb over it. That is the Surya Mudra. The other three fingers are extended out. And the next is the Jalodhamshaka Mudra. Showing it on this palm, you bending the little finger and placing the thumb over it. The other three fingers are extended. So this is like number 3. And here you're bending the ring finger and placing the thumb over it. So holding these two mudras together, it's very good for weight reduction. Again, holding it for minimum 15 minutes at a time. And then also it improves conditions like TB, pneumonia, common cold and cough, throat issues, sinus problems, thyroid malfunction, and also breathing issues, asthma. So it's a very, very important combination mudra, Surya Mudra and Jalodhamshaka Mudra. Holding it for 15 minutes. Slowly releasing this, we go on to the next mudra. It is called as the Apana Mudra. Apana Mudra is joining the thumb and the middle and the ring finger. Joining the thumb, middle finger and the ring finger. The other two fingers, that is the index and the little finger, they are extended out. This is a very good mudra for your stomach issues, good for your pancreas, diabetes, and any motion problem, excretory issues. So very important to remember, good for your pancreas, your stomach related issues, and diabetes. Yes, you need to keep this extended, the other two fingers, and touching the tip of the thumb to the ring and the middle finger. Yes. Slowly releasing this mudra. Going to the next mudra, it's called as the Hridaya Mudra, the heart mudra. So here you're bending your index finger and placing it at the root of your thumb, and the tip of the middle and the ring finger, you join it to the thumb, and your little finger is extended out. Explaining it again, joining, bending first the index finger to the base of the thumb, joining the tip of the thumb to the middle and the ring finger, and your little finger is extended out. Yes, the Hridaya Mudra, very good for any heart related problems, bypass surgeries, any kind of palpitations issues. So it's a very good mudra for the heart, and since it's called the Hridaya Mudra. Yes, hold this, you could meditate over it, again holding it for minimum 15 minutes. Slowly releasing it. Going to our next mudra, very important again, it's called as the Prana Mudra. How do we hold the Prana Mudra? So the ring finger and the little finger, you touch both the tips to the tip of the thumb. Ring finger and little finger, touching it to the tip of the thumb. This is the Prana Mudra. It releases tiredness, very, very important. Strengthens the immunity, much needed in today's times. Releases you of any kind of sleep issues, sleep problems, leg problems. In case you've had a tiring day, your leg is hurting, hold the Prana Mudra for 15 minutes. It's very good. Important point for your immunity. You could meditate, close your eyes and hold Prana Mudra. Slowly release. We'll go on to another very important mudra, Myo Mudra. Now Myo Mudra, basically this is for blood pressure, normalizing your low and high blood pressures. So the middle finger and the ring finger, you need to bend and touch it down. The other fingers are extended out. So bending the middle and the ring finger, the other fingers are extended. Myo Mudra for your blood pressure issues. Yes, hold at least for 15 minutes at a time. Slowly release. Going in for another very important mudra for your back, Merudanda. So Merudanda is for your back, bending all your four fingers and extending your thumb out. Holding it straight there. This is for your entire back. Okay, Merudanda mudra. Now suppose you have pain only in your upper back. You just have to turn and place your thumb outward. That is for your upper back. And suppose you have issues with your lower back, you have to turn, place the thumb inward and hold the mudra. So this is for your lower back. Upper back, lower back, and the entire back when your thumb is extended upwards. Yes? So these are a few common mudras that I tried and covered for common issues. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.